naturopathic medicine and its role in blood type treatment. We are looking at a detailed and comprehensive explanation of the meaning and roles of naturopathic medicine in relation to blood type treatment. What is the role of natural medicine, naturopathic medicine, and its role in blood type treatment? That's what we're looking at today. So, as we go on this video, I want you to understand that there are a lot of things you need to understand. And we also define this thing to us so that you can be able to know what exactly we are doing here in this channel. Now, number one, naturopathic medicine sometimes refers to as naturopathic in old or localized use. It's a system of primary health care that combines natural therapy with modern science to support the body's ability to heal itself. Body's ability to heal itself. Remember that I said that one of the great benefits of natural medicine is that it not only provides healing, but it allows the body to heal itself. It allows the body to heal itself. Give the body rooms to heal itself when it's being introduced. Now, the core principles of naturopathic medicine or natural medicine, number one, first of all is do no harm. It does not have any harm, no side effect at all. It does no harm. It is whole and free. Number two, treat the body personally. Treat the whole person, the whole total person. Number three, it identifies and treats the root cause. That is where natural medicine is very, very powerful. It treats the root cause of that ailment. It uses the healing power of nature. Doctors, as teachers, they will teach you. Naturopathic medicine are people like our logo or our motto in Resonance is providing excellent healthcare through proper information. We teach you. We want you to know this is what you are suffering for and the root cause of that thing, and how that thing can be avoided. Another one is a prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. It helps you to prevent it and teach you that you can also prevent it before it comes. So naturopathy emphasizes individual, preventive, and holistic care, making it natural aligned to blood type therapy. So it's also work with blood type therapy. So it helps you to treat all these things and give you the leverage to it now. Now, what is blood type treatment? That is the question. Remember, we talked about natural medicine. I said to you that natural medicine is a system of primary health care that combines natural therapies with modern science to support the body to heal itself. Now we're going to talk what is blood type treatment. A lot of people ask me this question anytime I'm taking lecture, telling them about the blood type and the rest of them. Since I become a professional in blood type treatment or something of that nature, they say, sir, what do you really mean by blood type treatment? I want to define it to you. Blood type treatment is a personalized approach to health and disease management based on patients' A, B, O blood group. It's a professionalized, personalized approach to healthcare and disease management based on patients' blood type. This method was popularized by Dr. Peter Gadamus in his work, Eat Right for Your Type. Match a person's diet, lifestyle, and herbal support to their blood type. We call it the blood type genetics and biochemical need. Now, sometimes a lot of people don't really understand what we call biochemical need, what their body needs, or their blood type genetics. Your blood type genetics is the makeup of your blood system. The makeup of your blood system, because everything, remember that everything we eat, like I keep telling people, ends up in 4 things in human body: nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon. These four things is what every food you eat, whether water, everything end up in it. Then, but one thing you need to understand is that among these four things, water contains two, hydrogen and oxygen, and water. Which, when we come to your blood type and water formation, you'll discover that almost all your body, the blood is 80% to 85% water. So by so doing, when you are able to deal with a particular ailment using what we call the blood type, it will be able to go to it, the ingredients. Like in our previous video, when I tell you what is blood, blood is a solvent, it's a liquid in the body system that helps to transport nutrients, chemical components, waste products, and the rest of them to the other part of the body system. So that is what we are talking about. So now today we are talking about the role of natural medicine in the blood type treatment. So the role of naturopathic medicine in blood type treatment. Naturopathic medicine provides a comprehensive framework to integrate blood type specific treatment to specific treatment in a way that supports natural healing. Now, below are the major role naturopathic medicine plays in this relationship. This natural medicine, naturopathic medicine, where I studied, the course I studied with naturopathic hematology. How I use natural medicine to treat any blood-related ailment, using your blood type to treat you very well. Let's go. Now, personalized healing based on what we call biotrain, that is blood type. Each blood type reflects a unique immunological and metabolic blueprint. You hear that? Immunological and biological blueprints. Now, naturopathic doctors, we call them NDs, use blood type information to what? To tailor nutrition, to look at the nutrition that the blood needs. Herbs that the lifestyle to the patients as biochemical individualities. There are certain lifestyles that Owen will be going through which is not good for him. In this channel, we will also tell you about your blood type and their exercises. The kind of exercise that you need. There are blood types that need rigorous exercise. There are some that doesn't need it. There are some that doesn't need it. So as we go on, we're able to enjoy that. Then we also say avoid harmful lectins that triggers inflammations and autoimmune reaction. Now we recommend supportive therapy, e.g. detox, stress management, best suited to the blood type. Do you hear that? So these are some of the things we are going to be seeing as we go ahead in this hour. So we will be able to tailor it to personalized treatment to your blood type. Now let me show you something. Blood type and naturopathic focused area. Now the blood type O. Now which area do we focus on when we are treating O? There are some certain areas that O need focus. O. Blood type. We are going to focus on what we call anti-inflammatory, stress reduction, and protein metabolism. These are the areas. When you are treating O, you look at this area because that is the area which their problem emanates from. Then A, we are looking at alkaline diet, immune balance, stress control, gut health, immune modulations, and infection defense. B, A are always susceptible to infection. They are prone to infection. So when you are treating them, these are the areas you are going to look at. When you are able to handle this area, you discover that the blood A type personality will begin to treat well. Now let's look at B, gut health. Immune modulations, infection, and defense. These are some of the things that will help B to treat well. Then let's look at AB, vascular support, because they always have heart problem. AB always had heart problem. The toss, there are always so much toxins in their body system. The toss system and immune regulation. Their immunes are always weak. So when you look at these areas, when you are treating them, it will be able to help them very, very well. The root cause of diagnosis and functional support. Naturopathy does not treat symptoms. It seeks to uncover the root cause of illness. Blood type treatment supports this by what? Revealing, number one, hidden food sensitivities or selectiveness. There are food that you will be eating that is not good for your blood type. The first thing naturopathic hematologists look at is to look at the food you are eating. You list them down and check it if it really matches with your blood group. Then we go ahead. Immune misfires triggered by incompatible foods. Now, most of these food can misfire your immune system, creating so much antigens in your body system. Hormone and metabolic blockage lead to blood groups threats. To see that. There are so much hormonal imbalance, metabolic blockage that has led to what we call blood group threats. This empower non-invasive whole body therapy such as what? Botanical medicine, that is herbal medicine. Herbal medicine, we prepare the herbal medicine based, we know the one that is good. At the time we want to talk about your blood group and herbal medicine, the best herbal for your blood group, herbs for your blood group, you know. We tell you that this one, there are some that are good for ginger, there are some that are not good for ginger. There are some that are good for moringa, there are some that are good for licorice, there are some that are good for varicose vein, and the rest of them. But there are some that are not good for them. We talk about what we call we talk about detox protocols, dietary correction, neurological treatment. All these things are some of the things we are going to see, which is the root cause of this problem. And this now we talk about herbal medicine specific to blood type. We are going to take this one a little, but we are coming later to go in a broader dimension of this herbal medicine specific to blood type. We are going to talk about it. Naturopaths use herbal herbs matched to blood type to support the organs, improve the detox, balance immunity, and reduce disease progression. This approach reduces herbal drugs mismatch and improve response to natural treatment. That's it. Like me, there are people I meet, they are suffering from pain, their own blood group. I know what to give to them. Let's say blood type, for example, O. What do O really need? Turmeric. Turmeric, black pepper, ginger, bitter leaf, garlic. These are the things that O blood group need. O blood group need these things. A. What kind of herbal herbs that A blood group needs? Something like lemon balm, heartthorn, aloe vera, and flaxseed. They need this thing very well because they work with their system. B blood group, what do they need? Neem, dogoyaro, ginkgo biloba, moringa, basil. They need this thing very well. Then AB, what do they need? Green tea, ashwagandha, hibiscus, and what we call citrusol. These are some of the things that they need as a herb. Then, you know that natural medicine treats the mind, body, stress. The mind, body medicine and stress management by Dr. Mind, body management and Dr. Naturopathic doctors recognize that emotions and mental health are deeply tied to physical illness. Blood type influences the neurological response to stress. Integrating blood type specific stress therapy enhance healing and proper disease management. Let's go. Like all blood type, what do they really need? They need high cortisol and anger prone. They are high cortisol and anger prone. They are always angry. Then, as a naturopathic doctor, what are the tools you need? Exercise, deep breath, and magnesium helps. Something like banana, they contain high level of magnesium. Boil it, cut it, and boil it and give to them. It will be able to help them to relax well. What do A blood group need when it comes to stress? One, chronic worries and anxiety. They need yoga, they need calm teas, and need meditation. Do what we call oxygen therapy. Then B, easy war, overstimulated. They are stressed, overstimulated. They need what we call uremic breaths, music, and what? Adaptive gene. All these are what they need. And AB, which is the father of them all, silent stress, emotional blockage. They need what we call juggling therapy, creative arts, and so many other activities that can keep them up there. Let's go ahead. Now, number 5, digestive and detoxification support. How do they do this? Now, neuropathic care include gut health, that is digestive system, respiration, and detoxification, which varies by blood type due to what? Difference in stomach acid production. All blood type has so much strong acid in their system and it affects them very well. Then we got enzyme efficiency, tendency towards gut permeability and what? Overgrowth. Hepatic detox plan are personalized to enhance liver, bowel, and what? Lymph function using blood type approach and help and diet. That's it. This is what we're going to be doing in this afternoon. As we delve these things, we want to see it work well in the life of people through this their blood group and the rest of them. Then, all time, what do they need when they come to the source? 1, liver and bowel, high meat detox. A, what do they need? Guts, that's the digestive system, microbiome, skin, and low stomach acid. B, what do they need? They need lymphatic and kidney detox. Then AB, what they need? They need blood vessel and gallbladder detox. These are some of the things you do. You don't just carry liver and detox and go for AB. No, it doesn't work like that. That's why some of our medications in our company in resonant healthcare, it is built based on human blood compatibilities. Nutritional therapies and food as a medicine. Remember they said, when you take your food as a medicine, you live well. In naturopathic medicine, we use food as medicine, integrating blood type, diet principle to what? 1, to restore balance. 2, to prevent disease. 3, to reverse chronic conditions or chronic diseases. 3, meal plans are designed to remove harmful lectins, weak and wicked, dangerous proteins, or what we call carbohydrate binding together with protein to cause harm in the body system. That is lectins, including healing phytonutrients, increasing and including healing phytonutrients, reducing inflammatory triggers. There are things that triggers inflammation in human body. And we have to stop it. If not, it will continue. You are treating that woman of pain every day. Apparently, there is something causing it. 1, it might be the wrong type of diet that she is taking. When you stop that wrong diet, you discover that the root cause goes away. Why we as naturopathic pharmacologists, we treat the root cause of problems. Then, support immune and metabolic balance. These elevate the value of food in clinical treatment beyond generic nutrition. Yeah. You know your food, you know what you are eating, you plan it, and make sure your food becomes your medicine. Now, preventive and long-term care. Naturopathic and blood type approach prioritize prevention through what? Regular health check in basis of type-related risk. When we check your blood group, we know the related disease that blood type is prone to. So when we know the blood that blood type is prone to, what we do? We'll be able to help you to be able to eliminate that from your system and you discover your problem. Immune boosting during seasons based on blood type will boost your immunity. Give you food that will boost your immunity and help you to live long. Long-term organ support, heart, liver, kidney, and lung. There is one of my video that I talked about your liver and your blood type, your kidney and your blood type, your liver, your lungs and your blood type. You'll see that video as time goes on. Then you will see that there's a long time support to this organ. When you don't support it, this organ can fail. Someone with chronic disease, kidney disease can be reversed, liver disease can be reversed, lung disease can be reversed, provided you know the blood group and know what is killing that person. You remove it and everything works well. Then diabetes, common in type O and A. Cardiovascular, common in type A and AB. Cancer linked to wrong diet, chronic inflammation in type A. Then autoimmune system in type A and B. And all these things can be reversed in what we call preventive and long-term care. You can prevent them for you. Then 8. Another thing we want to talk about is the benefits of combining naturopathies with blood type treatment. When you combine the two of them, blood type treatments. Now, personalized care. Therapy matched to metabolize and immune needs. Number 2, improve efficiencies of herbal treatment. Improve efficiency of herbal treatment helps choosing to fit blood chemistry for better absorption. That's it. Like, can I tell you something? Moringa is good for all the blood group, but not all the part that you will get that is good for them. Like now, you can only get moringa that is good for all blood group from the northern part, especially like in Jos, where they have so much nitrate in the soil. With that moringa from there is good and is well absorbed, 95.2% absorption rate in the body system. Safe interventions reduce risk of advanced reaction of immune conflicts. You reduce them when you know their blood type and the food you're going to eat. Stronger patient's engagement. Yes. Client feel seen, heard, and what? Tailored care build trust. Them. When they know you are treating them based on their blood group, they feel happy. Strong patient's engagement, I'm telling you. Faster recovery, root cause removed, and body specific support, speed up healing. You see, when you treat people based on their blood type, I'm a living witness, they recover very well. They recover very fast. Then another one is long-term prevention. Delay or prevent chronic illness via what? Targeted support. Via targeted support. That is it. You delay it. The risk of ignoring blood type in natural medicine. When you involve it, the risk. 1. Use of contradictive hair leads to what we call flare up. If we can, that sickness you can be taking and nothing is happening. Persistent inflammation from what? Dietary lectins. Waste supplement due to poor absorption or incompatibilities. Delay healing and misdiagnosis of chronic immune-related issues. Then, conflicting the pulse program that stress the wrong organ. If you don't treat them based on their blood group, all these are the consequences. The risk when you ignore it. That's why we don't ignore it in anything we do. In summary, naturopathic medicine and blood type treatment are synergetic healing systems that complement each other. They complement each other. They work together. That's why I'm happy to be a naturopathic hematologist based on blood system. I treat you in a natural way using the blood system, the blood type. When combined, they create a powerful, individualized, and safe healthcare mode rooted in the wisdom of nature, science, and human genetic world individualities. This is what they do. So that's why it's very important. It's very important. I want to thank you for staying by, for following us on our channel, for finding time to listen to this. Brother, I charge you and I challenge you. Please don't ignore these teachings. Your blood type and your natural medicine goes in hand in hand, like I told you, they synergize. They can give you a lasting good health. Thank you and God bless you. Thank you very much for joining us on this lesson. See you in our next edition. I remember your humble self, your presenter, Dr. Godwin Ogoabia, naturopathic hematologist. God bless you. Thank you.